Viddi Digital Signage was born out of the need for simplicity, with the best in-class user experience, and we've made sure it starts with the installation process. Each location is unique. So, for this video, let's assume you already have display screens installed. If you don't have screens, we can help with that too. One call to our tech team on 1300 58 40 20 will get you on track. First, let's make sure your display screen is working. Simply plug it in and switch it on. On the input setting of your remote control, change it over to HDMI 1 or any other HDMI port that's available. To connect your Viddi Player to your screen, it's as simple as this. Step 1. Plug the supplied cable from your player into an available power socket and turn it on. Step 2. Plug the supplied HDMI cable into your player and plug the other end into a HDMI port on the back of your display screen. Make sure the port you've connected it to is the same number you selected earlier on your remote control. Step 3. Plug an Ethernet cable into your player and plug the other end into an available and networked data port. Step 4. There is no step 4. Your Viddi Player will automatically connect to the playlist that our tech team has set up for you, and your content will start playing. But what if you don't have available Ethernet in your location? While we recommend Ethernet versus Wi-Fi as your network connection due to its stability, we understand if Wi-Fi is your only option. If this is the case, simply advise our tech team of your Wi-Fi network protocols before your Viddi Player is sent out, and they'll preload them. So you're ready to go as soon as you connect the Viddi Player. Viddi Digital Signage Simplified.